Hello, my name is Kevin Davis and I am the Regional Product Manager for the mobile printers at Zebra Technologies. Today I would like to introduce you to the new Zebra ZQ220 mobile label and receipt printer. The ZQ220 sits in the commoditized value tier space, but is built with state-of-the-art feature set and to the same high standards and quality that our customers have come to expect, and in the same factory where we build the rest of our mobile printer portfolio, including the ZQ300, the ZQ500 and the ZQ600 series printers. Now we will take a look at unboxing the new Zebra ZQ220 mobile printer. When taking delivery of your ZQ220 mobile printer, this is what you'll receive. So if we open the box, we will see that it contains a quick start guide, a regulatory guide, and then a multiple language safety guide. It will also include one belt clip and one USB cable featuring Type A and Type C ports. If we remove the printer, and the packaging should be retained for future use, we see that the printer has a display on the front, the power, configuration and feed buttons. There is a port cover, a rubber port cover on the side, and the yellow touch point here indicates the lever to release the media bay lid. The battery comes already inserted.